Breastfeeding is a beautiful journey that can be both rewarding and challenging. As a new mom, you might be seeking guidance to navigate this experience smoothly. Here's a beginner's guide to help you get started. Before your baby arrives, arm yourself with knowledge about breastfeeding. Consider attending classes, reading informative books, or consulting with a lactation expert. Equip yourself with essentials like comfortable nursing bras and a reliable breast pump. Once your little one is born, initiate breastfeeding as soon as possible. Skin-to-skin contact not only stimulates milk production, but also strengthens the bond between you and your baby. Remember, breastfeeding operates on a demand and supply principle. The more you nurse, the more milk you produce. Achieving a proper latch is vital for effective breastfeeding. Make sure your baby's mouth covers not just the nipple, but a significant portion of the areola. Signs of a good latch include outward flanged lips and visible or audible swallowing. If you experience discomfort or your baby seems unsatisfied, the latch might need adjustment. Don't hesitate to seek assistance from a lactation consultant to perfect the technique. Breastfeeding can present challenges such as sore nipples, engorgement, or concerns about milk supply. To alleviate sore nipples, apply nipple cream and ensure a correct latch. For engorgement, regular milk expression can help maintain comfort and supply. If you're worried about milk supply, frequent breastfeeding is crucial. However, if issues persist, seeking professional advice is recommended. Breastfeeding is a natural process, but it's not always straightforward. Patience, practice, and support are your best allies. Remember, every mother's journey is unique, so discover what works best for you and your baby.